Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the phone update ready. Charge the S6 Edge to at least 50% or plug it in so power interruptions won't corrupt the install. Once done, back up your contacts, photos, and app data to your Google account or external storage. This protects you if the update triggers a reset. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid partial downloads and extra charges. Then open Settings and navigate directly to Software Update to check for available updates. You'll now handle the complex middle steps. Tap Download if an update is available, then watch the progress. The phone displays time remaining. Before installation, close heavy apps and free 1 to 2 GB so the updater can unpack files. When prompted, accept terms and tap Install. The device will verify packages, reboot into recovery, and apply changes. Make sure not to interrupt power or press buttons while it verifies. Interruptions here can leave the system unstable. You finish by confirming the update and recovering normal operation. After the reboot completes, go to Settings About Phone to verify the build number and security patch level. If apps misbehave, clear app caches or reinstall them. If the device won't boot, boot into recovery and try wipe cache partition first. This often resolves boot loops without data loss. If problems persist, restore your backup or, as a final step, perform a factory reset. That's a last resort fix when other measures fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.